woke up to silence, a ghost in my bed, echoes of dreams that I wish had stayed dead. Mirror is cracking, it won't show my face, just shadows and whispers and time gone to waste. And I try to breathe, but the air is thin, like a scream inside I bury within. I'm falling through the cracks again, drowning in the cold of what I've been. Ashes in the rain, nothing to remain. I was fire, now I'm just pain. The clock keeps ticking, but I'm standing still, feeding the void with whatever I feel. Hope is a lie, dressed in satin and smoke, and I wear it like chains, like a cruel little joke. I'll reach for light, but it's always gray. The more I fight, the more I decay. I'm falling through the cracks again, drowning in the cold of what I've been. Ashes in the rain, nothing to remain. I was fire, now I'm just pain. Don't light a candle, don't say my name. I'm not coming back, I'm not the same. Every step forward just drags the past, and nothing I built was ever meant to last. Midnight knows me, it calls me friend. Darkness listens when daylight pretends. I scream in silence, my voice is stone. This crowded world still leaves me alone. I'm falling through the cracks again, burying the noise of who I've been. Ashes in the rain, washed down the drain. I was fire, now I'm just pain. Ashes in the rain, nothing will remain. Whispers in my veins. I was fire, now I'm just